A very good morning to class 5th. Today the date is beta 20th Jan, right? 20th Jan 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So, as you know, we are doing our revision of chapter 5. This chapter 5 is about fraction, right? So in this chapter 5 beta, we have revised up to exercise 5.4 and up to here we have learned what do you mean by fraction, right? What is numerator, denominator? We have discussed type of fraction. We have discussed comparison between fraction, or you can say how you will compare the fraction. And then that is addition and subtraction of fraction. Addition and subtraction of fraction. And then the last topic that we have discussed is about lowest term. That is lowest term, right? These 6 topics we have already discussed in our previous lecture. So beta, if you have not watched the previous video, firstly watch that, right? Because these topics all in details we have discussed in that video. Now come to our today's topic, and that is how you will multiply the fraction, right? And how you will divide the fraction. So our today's topic is multiplication and second is division of fraction. So our today's class main topics are multiplication and division of the fraction. So we will start with our first topic, that is how to multiply the fraction. How to multiply the fraction number. So multiplication in fraction cases also simple beta, as you are multiplying the numbers. मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो है आपकी सेम वैसे ही है जैसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो देयर आर 3 केसेस इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. When you multiply the fraction number, there are 3 cases. So firstly, we will start with case 1. What do you mean by this? Case 1. That is multiplication of a whole number and fraction. Case 1 is multiplication of a whole number by fraction, right? That is example 5 multiply with 1 by 4. 5 क्या है आपका whole number and 1 by 4 is fraction. So in this case you will learn how to multiply a whole number by a fraction number. Like x is any whole number, multiply with a by b. So in this case beta, this x is multiplied with a. Your answer will be xa by b. Means न्यूमरेटर को हम न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 1 जा 5 by 4. Right? This is the way to multiply a whole number by a fraction. Right? Next question is multiplication of a fraction by whole number. Our case 2 is opposite of this. That is multiplication of a fraction by whole number. इसमें क्या है आपका कि एक फ्रैक्शन है गिवन आपको लाइक a by b and you have to multiply with a whole number that is x. So यहाँ पे जो आंसर आएगा that is ax multiply with b. Right बेटा? Like 5 by 4 multiply with 3. So this 5 by 4 is what? This is fraction and 3 is the whole number. So 5 3s are 15 by 4. Clear? These two cases, they are opposite of each other. Opposite in the sense, यहाँ पे हमने पहले whole number को fraction से multiply किया था, but case 2 में हम fraction को whole number के साथ multiply कर रहे हैं. Only the difference is here fraction come first, here the fraction comes second, but answer will be same. अब 5 by 4 को 3 से multiply करो या 3 को 5 by 4 से या 3 को 5 by 4 से, answer will be remain as it is, that is 15 by 4. So from these two cases, the result is that when you multiply a fraction with whole number or whole number with fraction, answer will be numerator and the denominator will remain as it is. This in condition that if it is not come in any table, like here 2 by 4 multiply by 16. So 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and your answer is 2 4s are 8. Right? So आपको ये भी चेक करना होगा बेटा कि जो फ्रैक्शन आपको गिवन है एंड जो होल नंबर आपको गिवन है क्वेश्चन में, that will be in simplest form. Right? The topic we have discussed in previous lecture, that is about how to write down the fraction in lowest term. So same here, before multiply any number, you have to check that the given fraction is in lowest term or not, and if denominator is cut the numerator or not. Clear? Now case third, where multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Case third is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Let fraction are x by y multiply a by b. In this case, how you will multiply? That is x a and downside y b. Right? Like 1 by 4 multiply with 3 by 7. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 1 multiply with 3 and for denominator 4 multiply 7. That is 3 by 4 7s are 28. Right beta? Answer will be 3 by 28. So this is clear to everyone. Case third is how to multiply a fraction number by the fraction. These are the three cases of multiplication. Okay. On the basis of these three cases, we will do our exercise, that is 5.5. On the basis of these three, we will do our exercise 5.5. Now, once again, firstly we will recall our three cases, that is case 1 and case 2 are similar to each other, that how to multiply a whole number by fraction. सिंपली आपको क्या करना है बेटा, यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करो and this denominator will remain as it is. Okay, and your case 2 is also like this, that multiplication of a fraction by whole. So यहाँ पर भी आपको क्या करना है, न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई विद न्यूमरेटर, 5 3s are 15 and denominator will be 4. Okay, and our case third is case 3, that is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो फ्रैक्शंस हैं, एक्स वाई एंड ए बाय बी. हाउ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू? न्यूमरेटर विल ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई विद न्यूमरेटर and denominator will be multiply with denominator. Like this, x multiply with a, y multiply with b. So here we have done one example, that is 1 multiply with 3, 1 3s are 3 and 4 multiply with 7, that is 4 7s are 28. Right beta? So now on the basis of these three, let's come to our exercise 5.5. Here we will do some questions that are related to our these cases. So here first question is, find the product and reduce to lowest term if possible. So here first question, that is 4 multiplied 2 by 7. So here this is numerator, this is whole number and this one is fraction. So we learn that in case 1, whole number multiply with fraction, upper value multiply with upper. 4 multiply with 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 by 7. Remember one point beta, न्यूमरेटर से कभी कट नहीं होगा. न्यूमरेटर कैन कट डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर कैन कट न्यूमरेटर. ओके. Now second question is 4 by 9 multiply with 2. So here 4 2s are 8, 8 by 9. Right? Now the question third, that is 2 by 3 of 27. This of means multiply 27. So we know that this is denominator, this numerator. 3 1s are 3 and 3 9s are 27. Right? See, as I told you, denominator can cut numerator. So here 3 cut by 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. Now 2 and 9, so 2 nines are 18. Like this. Okay. It is not important that कि आप fraction में multiply कर रहे हो, so answer will also be in fraction. No. Answer can be in simplest form like here, and answer can be in fraction like 8 by 9. Next is to multiply a fraction with fraction. That is 1 by 2 multiply with 3 by 5. So now in this, firstly आप check करो numerator denominator कहीं से cut हो रहे हैं? No. So we will direct multiply numerator with numerator. 1 3s are 3. 2 5s are 10. So your answer is 3 by 10. Now come to next question, that how you will multiply the mixed fraction. And question is 1 2 by 3, 2 3 by 7, and next is 4 by 11. Right? Now this is in mixed fraction. So firstly हम इसको solve करेंगे, in proper fraction में convert करेंगे. यहाँ से multiply करो. 3 ones are 3. Whatever come, add into it. 3 ones are 3 plus 2. That is 5 by 3. Right? 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Multiply. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 3, 17 by 7. Multiply 4 with 11. Now check. Any numerator or denominator can cut? No. Now don't get confused seeing the 3 fraction numbers. Simply जैसे हम fraction को fraction से multiply कर रहे थे, same like this. Numerator will multiply with numerator 4 and 3 7 11. Right? Now 5 fours are 20, multiply with 17, and 3 sevens are 21, multiply with 11. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ से ना हमारी multiplication easy हो जाएगी. If you want to multiply like this, 5 multiply with 17 and then that product you will multiply with 4, तो आप वैसे भी कर सकते हैं बेटा. 17 with 20, 340 by 21, this is 231, and this will be your answer. Okay. Clear? This is the way to multiply the fraction number. After this, our next topic, that is how to divide the fraction number. Next topic also we will discuss. But if anyone have any problem in multiplication of fraction, you can comment and you can ask better. Now come to our next topic, that is second topic of our today's class, how to divide the fraction number. But before division, you have to learn about one more topic, that is of reciprocal of a fraction. Before division, this is also our topic, that is about reciprocal. Reciprocal means opposite, exchange करना. Reciprocal में क्या होगा आपका? Numerator will change with denominator and denominator will change with numerator. Reciprocal हो जाएगा like this. The fraction is a by b. So reciprocal will be b by a, means उल्टा होना 1/3, 3/1, right? 3/5, 5/3. Reciprocal means opposite. Like a reciprocal of a whole number. Whole number x equals to 1/x. ये 1/x कैसे हुआ बेटा? As in denominator if nothing is given, कोई नंबर अगर आपको डिनोमिनेटर में गिवन नहीं है, यू कैन पुट 1 अंडर इट, आप उसके नीचे 1 लगा सकते हैं, लाइक 5. सो इसका रेसिप्रोकल दैट इज 1/5. 6, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस इज 1/6, right? So reciprocal of any whole number is always a unit fraction. So by this reciprocal you learn one more thing, that is what is unit fraction, whose numerator equals to 1. Unit fraction is that fraction in which the value of the numerator is 1. 1/3, 1/5, 1/6, 1/8, 1/100, all are the example of unit fraction. So if anyone asks from you what will be the reciprocal of whole number, so reciprocal of a whole number will always a unit fraction. A unit fraction. Reciprocal of a whole number will always be a unit fraction. Okay. One more thing, that is, देखो यहाँ पे हम अपोजिट कर रहे हैं 1/3, ये प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है, सो ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? इम्प्रॉपर में. सो ये भी याद रखना बेटा कि प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल इम्प्रॉपर होगा और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन होगा. ओके. नाउ हाउ दिस रेसिप्रोकल यूज्ड इन डिवीजन, दैट वी विल लर्न. ये जो रेसिप्रोकल वाला टॉपिक है, हाउ इट यूज्ड, नाउ सी दिस. So I hope about reciprocal and unit fraction it is clear to everyone. What is reciprocal? It is the opposition, like numerator come into denominator and denominator will change into numerator. After this, second one, that is division. Come to our main topic, division of fraction. Division of fraction. So beta, same like multiplication, there are also 3 cases. Case 1, when whole number divided by fraction, like x divided by a by b. So how you will divide this? ये divide होगा बेटा, x will remain as it is, x आपका as it is रहेगा. This division change into multiplication. डिवीजन किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. और जैसे ही हम यहाँ पे साइन चेंज करेंगे विथ सेम, यहाँ पे ये क्या हो जाएगा? रेसिप्रोकल. सी रेसिप्रोकल यूजेस हेयर. a by b reciproc b by a, right? And answer will be xb by a, right? See one example. 7 divide 1 by 4. 7 divide 1 by 4. So here 7 will remain as it is. जो डिवीजन का सम है आपका ये चेंज होगा साइन मल्टीप्लीकेशन में, एंड 1 बाय 4 को रेसिप्रोक करो, दिस विल बी 4 बाय 1, राइट? नाउ 7 4s are 28 by 1. Clear? This is the way as case 1. Now case 2, that fraction divided by whole number. By whole number, like a by b divided by x. So same beta, a by b will remain as it is, division will change into multiplication, x by 1 है, so ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका 1 by x, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. एज वी लर्न, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ अ होल नंबर विल ऑलवेज बी यूनिट फ्रैक्शन, एंड योर आंसर विल बी a by b multiplied with x, right? See here example, same example, 1 by 4 multiplied with 7. Now 7 is whole number. 1 by 4 as it is, division will convert into multiplication. 7 whole number, it become 1 by 7, and that is 1 by 28. Okay. And the case third, which is very easy, that is simple. Fraction divided by fraction divided by fraction divided by fraction, like a by b divided by x by 1. तो यहाँ पे सेम कंडीशन अप्लाई होती है बेटा, a by b डिवीजन कन्वर्ट इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एंड x by y will convert into y by x. So answer will be a multiplied with y and b multiplied with x, right? So these are the 3 cases of division. Clear beta? So here all these 3 cases you have to study very carefully, and now on the basis of all these 3 cases we will do the question. So before going to the question, let us take a recall of all these cases. First case is how you will divide a whole number. How divide whole number by fraction. So first simple आपको क्या करना है बेटा, फर्स्टली आपको फ्रैक्शन गिवन है, फ्रैक्शन, होल नंबर गिवन है, होल नंबर, जो भी आपको गिवन है पुट इट एज इट इज जैसे आपको गिवन है. देन डिवीजन साइन आएगा, उसको हम किस में चेंज करेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. एंड जैसे ही आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन चेंज किया, सेकेंड टर्म जो होगी वो सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन हो या होल नंबर हो, इट विल रेसिप्रोकल, राइट? एंड हाउ टू रेसिप्रोकल वी हैव डिस्कस बिफोर इट. Now come to your exercise, that is 5.6. So here we will discuss one by one question over all three cases. So our first question, that is 4 by 3 by 7 means 4 divide 3 by 7. This is whole number. As I told you, keep the first term as it is. Division will change into multiplication. And जैसे ही ये multiplication में change होगा, 3 by 7 will be go 7 by 3. Right? 4 sevens are 28 by 3. Clear beta? Now question 2, which is our case second, that is 3 by 7 by 6. So 3 by 7 divide by 6. So here this 3 by 7 will remain as it is. Division convert होगा आपका multiplication. 6 whole number will be converted into unit fraction 1 by 6. Now as you can see, here numerator is 3 and here denominator is 6. 3 cut by 3. 3 ones are 3. 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So now 1 and 1, 1. 7 twos are 14. Right, Pita? 7 twos are 14. After this, next and the last question of our today's class, that is 4 by 7 divide by 2 by 3. So we will keep the first fraction as it is. यहाँ पे क्या है हमारे पास? Division. Then 2 by 3. Again 4 by 7. Division will change into multiplication. And जैसे ही यहाँ पे multiplication change होगा, ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Now this 2 can cut 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now multiply. 2 threes are 6 and 7 ones are 7. Right, beta? So here this is the way to divide the fraction. This is the way to divide the fraction. So beta, in our today's class we have discussed 3 topics, that is how to divide the fraction, how to multiply the fraction, and about its reciprocal. Right? In division, that is very simple. You have to take care only one thing. When you change the sign, division to multiplication, it get reciprocal. ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Reciprocal means numerator change with denominator and denominator will change numerator. Right, beta? So here our today's class will over, and the topics that we will discuss in next class, that is about board mass. Next complete class में हम board mass के बारे में study करेंगे. Complete this, how this complete work, and we will apply this in our question also. Okay, beta? So till here, if anyone have any type of query, you can ask. Okay, and revise this chapter very clearly because it is very interesting.